Hey, how you doing? My name is David Duford, owner and operator of buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, and chances are you're watching my video today because you're intrigued by the title of what 3 questions you must ask when looking for final expense insurance quotes. So what I'm going to try to cover in this video really are what I consider the must-ask questions. I am an insurance agent myself. I have dealt with thousands and thousands of people. And I've dealt with all people from all sorts and walks of life. And what I've compiled in this video is more or less the 3 most important questions anybody in the market for a final expense plan, a burial plan, or anything in that matter to cover final expenses, they must ask in order to make sure they're getting the best value and the best price. So the first question you must ask is a question you must ask yourself. And is, what is it exactly that I need? So let me better describe how I mean. So final expense policies are usually purchased to cover for funeral expenses as related to burial or cremation. So you've got to establish exactly what it is that you're looking for and what you need it to cover. Look, if you are wanting to be buried, you're going to definitely need more than what you would need to be cremated, right? Because the costs going into a burial are higher than that of a cremation. So by first establishing what's most important to you, you can start to build the policy from the ground up. Where I work and the people I help across the country, generally speaking, the average for a burial is around $10,000. That can vary, of course, but that is a good starting block if you want to be buried, whereas cremation is more $3,000 to $5,000. The next question you want to ask yourself is, what can I afford? What is my budget? Now, this is extremely important because you are probably, like many of the people that I've helped over the years, you're probably on a fixed income. And when you go out to purchase a final expense plan, you must secure that that plan is secure in the price and is affordable for your budget. The worst thing you could do is buy a policy that's too expensive today and is going to be even more expensive 6 months, thus you got to let it go and you lose all that money. It's a waste anyway, right? Or you get a policy that may be a little cheap, but you get the wrong policy and you have price increases that increase every 5 years, and then they actually terminate you. So there's plans out there that will cause your budget to be put into a tailspin. So you want to avoid that. The last thing you want to ask is, when you're sitting down with a final expense agent, you want to make sure that this agent is an independent agent. What an independent agent means is an agent who's independent shops around to try to find the best price and the best coverage for the clients. They're not married to one particular company, and in many circumstances, they look around about 10, 15 companies to see who's going to give you the best combination of price and the best combination of coverage. So these are the 3 questions you must ask every time. What is your need? What is your budget? And then lastly, are you an independent agent? And if you're in the market for final expense coverage and you can see why these questions are important, and why you must ask yourself as well as the agent that you're working with, then I implore you to check out my services to see what I have to offer, because I'm an independent agent that represents a variety of companies, and what I try to do for my clients is go out into the market to see which insurance company is going to offer you the best price and coverage so you don't have to pay more than you have to. It's real easy to get a no-obligation free quote to see exactly how I can help you. There's 2 ways to do it. First way is to go down here to the corner and dial that number. It's 888-626-0439. Leave a voicemail if you don't reach me, but that will dial my office directly. I'll be happy to run a quote for you at no obligation. It takes about 5 minutes to do, real quick. Otherwise, if you'd rather go to my website, you're welcome to do that. My website is buylifeinsuranceforburial.com. Go there, check it out, and send me a message if you prefer to do it that way. Either way, I look forward to speaking with you. Again, my name is Dave Duford of buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, and that number is 888-626-0439. Thanks for listening. Bye.